Hello guys, it's bSex, and this time I'm gonna make a tutorial about Fallout 3. Last time I talked about Skyrim, how to install mods. This time I'm gonna show you Fallout 3, how to fix quite a few of crash causes. So first off, I'm gonna tell you what type of crashes I'm talking about before you go crazy, because I didn't mention the crash that you have in particular. So one of the crashes, the reasons are you have a multi-core computer. If you do, keep watching. If you don't, it might be something else that I mentioned in this video. And there's also a crash fix that has to do with the water rendering that causes a Fallout 3 has stopped working error, and there might be a wrong with if you're trying to install DLCs, it crashes. That's because of something that I'm gonna tell you later. And all the fixes will be listed below. So yeah, I'm gonna start out by what you want to do first is locate your Fallout.ini file. So you just open up libraries and then you maximize that, go to documents, my games, Fallout 3, and here you should have these. There might be one called load order.txt, but I don't have that because I'm not using I'm using Mod Manager for Fallout 3 like this. I'll make another tutorial for this later. Yep. And here's something else that's a crash fix in here that I'm going to show you in a sec. So first off, you want to go into Fallout.ini file. Open that up. Just going to maximize it. And then you want to scroll down until you find this line. This will say 0 and not be there if you haven't edited this before. If you have edited it, you should change it to that to a 1 and type iNumHWThreads equals to like that, and I'm just gonna do it to check if I did it correctly. Yes, I did. That should be a 1. Actually, I'm just gonna exit it and open it right back up. There we go, and yeah, right here you see it should be exactly like this. So I'm gonna put what you want to type in there, or the instructions how to do this, in the description too, if you don't want to watch the video again if you didn't understand it. And there's something else. Yes, after you've added this line, change this to 1. What this does, it limits the cores that will be used to 1. So yeah, you want to save that, exit it, and next thing we want to do is this is Skyrim script testing launcher, so I'm not gonna launch with that. You want to go into game directory like so. You just right click the launcher and stuff. Then what you want to do is start the Fallout launcher.exe in the Fallout directory. Double click that. Then press on options, and here you will see all of this. Check in window mode. Turn this to one of these. I'm not gonna do that because I don't have a crash because of that. And then you wanna, if this doesn't fix anything, you want to set your detail to medium. That usually fixes it. And then put this as low as possible for you. See, it says best performance down there. But I get like really good game FPS, so it's all good. Then you want to go to advanced, and then go to water. Then you see water multi-sampling. It will usually be high, I think. Then you want to set it to low, and that fixed the crashes for me. That was what caused my crashes. Then you want to press OK. Now you can launch the game from wherever you want to. Something else, if you're trying to install like Operation Anchorage, the Pit, anything like that, like a DLC, downloadable content, you might get a crash where it says, it starts up the loading screen, you see the loading screen, and then it says Fallout 3 has stopped working. That is a really quite a simple fix. Sometimes it doesn't work for some reason, but you want to go to Google and search for, actually I'm gonna do that on screen so you can see that. You want to go on Google and type Fallout 3. See, search for crash fixes. I had this issue myself where it crashed all the time. You want to search for Fallout 3 patch 1.7. That's the one that I use. That's the one that is required to install DLCs. So you see here, it says Fallout 3 update USV 1.7 UK. So you wanna download the one that's for the game you have. So if you're US American, you want to click here. That's gonna download that. And if you're UK, you want to click here. It's gonna download that too. So I'm just gonna wait a few seconds before I continue on. I'm gonna take another crash fix. Meanwhile, if you don't have the DLCs and you've been starting adding mods, always, if you have Nexus Mod Manager like this, I really recommend it. You can find it on fallout3.nexusmods.com and then press install nmm. So what you want to do to see if there should be a crash, click on each of these. Click on them and then go down and you will see the masters, what it requires to run. So basically you want to click on all of these, and then when I had this crash error, I went all the way down here, and then when I clicked this one, I saw these: Anchorage, the Pit, Broken Steel, Point Lookout, and my ship Zeta. So that was causing the crash, because it couldn't find the DLCs, because I don't have them. I'm gonna buy them soon, or get them, whatever. Yep, so that's a fix. Always check if it requires the DLCs and you don't have them. Okay, a few seconds, and then I can show you how to install the patch. It's so easy. 9 seconds. I'm tired. Okay, 4, 3, 2. Okay, when that is downloaded, you want to click it. Press yes. And it says Fallout 3 is about to be updated, version 1.7. You press OK. And you see you want to check so it's getting processed correctly and all. Yep, so it's working all perfectly fine. You see there, it launched the game. I'm just gonna quit, because yeah, I'm not gonna play right now. So if you have the UK, you just want to click that, press OK, and you see it's processed it. Alright, so yeah, there we go. Now it's patched, ready to play. Then you can install your DLCs and whatever. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically how you fix it. Quite a few crash reasons. And there is also a crash to desktop right when you double click the game and it closes straight away. That has to do with your load order probably. Like this, there's a file missing. This usually occurs in Skyrim because it doesn't give the Skyrim has stopped working error, it closes it straight away. So yeah, that was just quite a few fixes for Fallout 3 crashing, especially on newer computers or Windows 8 and 7 and stuff like that. So that's how you can fix that. So yeah, see you guys next time.